Well, Scott, I'm relatively inexperienced when it comes to watching the game of indoor cricket, but what a week it's been.
Yeah, it's been great, and you know, we've seen some really exciting cricket here. The fielding on display in particular has been first class. The finals, 4 of them, are all Australia and New Zealand. Australia have been able to show their class, and they've actually won the games quite comfortably. Hopefully that's the same, not the same in the final. We get a good even match.
For those of you that are new to indoor cricket, it's a very simple game. It's all based on the fundamentals of cricket. Both innings will last for 16 overs. Each batting pair will face 4 of those overs. Each player will bowl 2 overs within an innings. When a wicket falls, the batsmen stay there. Instead, they lose 5 runs. Another unique rule is that the score must change every 3 balls. So if a batsman faces 2 dot balls in a row, the next ball, the score must change. That can come either in the form of a run off the bat or a stolen single or an extra. Good delivery to start. Played flat from Bennett for 2 runs. Going to have a look at this one. I see the Australian fielders indicating that they think Davy's bat might have popped up, which is why they're so confident in their appeal. Well, he's not even home. For New Zealand to have a chance, this pair absolutely needs to score 50 runs. And that helps. 7 runs.
She's a power hitter. Comes with a reputation, and that's why I think she normally closes at times, and she's been moved up one just to try and give New Zealand a chance.
Well, actually given that out bowled. Be interested to see a replay of that. It looked to me like the ball came off the keeper. Or has it bowled her? No, straight through.